breaking it down! Today, we are reacting to all of the Chainsaw Man openings for the first time ever. I'm very excited because I've heard very good things about Chainsaw Man. I've heard that the opening, and apparently there's a bunch of different endings, like a new one every episode. Apparently they're really good. And there's a lot of love and effort put into the show, and I'm really excited. So without further ado, let's get watching and go. I've heard this song before. I remember this opening was like mega popular and people like edited their own characters into this. And apparently there's a ton of references in this too that I probably won't understand. They're literally in a movie theater. There's gonna be movie references everywhere. If I remember correctly, the author of the manga really likes movies, and he kind of did his own thing to incorporate as many references as possible. So if I knew more about movies, I would be like, oh, this one. I'm a little stupid. I watch a movie like once a year. Please don't make fun of me. Please don't make fun of me. Anyway, I like this song. But he's cleaning a ball. I like this song though. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whose lap is he laying in? Wow. I like this song a lot. Is this the drop? Ooh! Oh, I like that! Wow! Wow! This feels like I'm watching an action movie right now. What? Does he turn into the chainsaw? Wait. Wow! I have to rewatch this after the drop. There's so many things happening. There's so many like characters. Okay, I want to go back and rewatch it from the drop so I can see everything. Oh, that's so clean. This animation, so good, so good. There's him who turned into a chainsaw. That animation! Wow. Oh! This girl with horns. Is she a devil? He's cracking an egg? Wow! Wow! This guy, there's another guy. So that's blonde guy, devil girl, and him. What's going on with his hair? Why does he look like that? He seems kind of chill though. He's like the nonchalant one. All right. So that's the opening. And then there's also like 12 endings. I think there's an ending per episode if I understood correctly. Ending 1. Ooh! Is that zombies? I like this. It's kind of like a punk rock song. I thought it was English. Wait, is it English? No. I'm so confused. Like, this looks 3D, but I don't know if the animation's 3D or not. Wow. So he pulls a thing on his chest to become the chainsaw. Ooh! I like this. It's like a punk rock. Wow. Chainsaw Man. This is so bloody. I did not know this show is so bloody. He's just chopping these guys up. Like, there's blood everywhere. What? It's cool. It's cool. I didn't know that was allowed. He has an eye patch? What? Is he missing an eye? Cheats. Oh, my bad. Don't know the lyrics good enough, I guess. I thought we were gonna go Chainsaw Man. Who's the little guy? Who's this little... This guy, he's so cute. Why is he also a chainsaw? Are they Chainsaw Brothers? Or is it his chainsaw dog? It kind of looks like a dog or a cat, but not really. I don't know. He has a little tail. He's so cute. Ah! Two. Ending 2. I like this guitar. Ooh. It's so funky. I like this. Wow. Wakey wakey. This style is completely different. It's like a little sketchbook doodle. He sleeps in the trash? Is he homeless? This is the devil girl. She's chilling in the is this karaoke? Looks like karaoke. She's jumping out the window! Girl, that's gonna kill you! Be careful! I like this a lot. I like the song. That guy's a samurai. I will say, I think I'm kind of biased towards songs with... Oh! Wait. I need to say my thought and revisit that. I think I have a bias towards songs with female vocals in anime openings because it's just so good. I feel like they sound so good. Okay, I want to hear that drop again. Ooh. Ooh, I love that! I love that! He's falling through the sky! Wow. This is so beautiful. Even in different styles, it's so beautiful. I love this girl. I love her design. She's so cute. I think this one's my favorite so far. The vibes are just so good. Wow. I love that. This is 3. He's in the trash. Wakey wakey. The vibe switch? The vibe switch between the first one and this one is crazy. This one's like satanic almost. It's like devilish. And there's like monsters. Ew. Ew. Ooh. This is like metal screams. Ooh. What? What is my brain's like getting hacked into right now? This is an anime ending? This song? Oh, what? What? The switch up? Oh my god, he's bowing to her like she's a god? Oh! What? This song's like 3 in 1. Wow. Wow. This is so fun to listen to. It's like taking me on a journey. Wow. I was a little skeptical at first. I was not sure about the opening. The journey though, crazy. Crazy! Whoa! What? Oh my god. This is already so cute. What is this? Is she like doing a little hand dance? Wow. This reminds me of like those animation memes. Is it all about her? Is this like her ending? The song is so cute. She's just like a little figure down there spinning around. This animation is crazy smooth. It looks like it's like kind of mid because it's like a little sketchy, but the movement is so smooth. I love it. This literally looks like an animation meme. What? She has a cat? She's breaking it down! Oh my god! I love this. This song's got a little bit of funky. There's like a funky little alien noise, like in the background. You hear it? The instrumental's so simple, but it's so like catchy. Wow. I love this. This felt like I just watched someone's like fan project, animated fan project, bro. Ooh. Oh, it's like a mirror? These are characters I don't know. I don't think. Ooh. Who is this? I don't know who this is. Is this ending about her? Oh wait, there's another girl. This imagery is probably crazy for somebody that knows movies and knows all these references, but to me it just looks like someone just took every idea in their mind and just threw up all over an anime ending. And that's the result. Like, there's so many cool ideas, but I'm like, what is this from, bro? What is this supposed to be? But it's so cool. It's so, like, this looks like modern art. What is going on? Wow. You could tell me this is a Renaissance painting and I believe you. What? I gotta hear that again. I gotta respect that properly. I was talking in the middle of it. That vocal fry, that scream? Wow. So good. This imagery is like the biblically accurate angel vibes. Wow. What is this horse? Why is there a horse that literally looks like it's from my nightmares? What? Wow. Endless Stairway. I love the song too. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Literally cinema, bro. I'm speechless. That might have been one of the best ones yet. I love the visuals on that opening. I love how interesting that was. That was crazy. I might have to say, are they all just crazy? What? These visuals are insane too. What am I looking at right now? I'm like in a 3D world. Wow. You got the multi-layer vocals? I love this, like, we're going through 3D space. Endless Stairway? Wow. I don't know that woman. The silly hair guy? Who dies? 4 people are dead? Wow. This song? It's not like got a crazy drop yet, but it's so catchy. The guitar? Wow. This kind of sounds like it would be in a Roblox game though. The instrumental? A little bit. But it's not bad. I would probably understand all this if I knew anything about this show. I know he turned into a chainsaw, that's it. That's it. Ooh. It's like a 90s anime style. I like this guitar. It's like a video game. They turned it into a video game. These vocals are so cute. It's like a cute anime girl singing to me. So cool. They turned the anime into a game. Wow. Yo, what? Are we going down the romance route? This looks a little intimate. It's gonna be the drop. I love this style. It's so cute. Like the 90s anime aesthetic. I don't know this girl. Hello? Nobody's got clothes on in this opening. What? What is happening? What is happening? Is she throwing up into his mouth? Ah! What is going on? What? Why is that the main visual? I thought we were romancing the red hair girl. And they all drinking. Wait. The transition? The change in the vibes? What? This is like the other one that was like very rough and like grungy and like, wow. This is fire. It's electric guitar. Wow. The vocals, bro. I love this. We're getting crazy with the visuals again. We're getting crazy symbolic right now. If only I understood. With the drop. Ooh. It's coming! Yo! What? The vocals! The vocals! This is beautiful! This is so beautiful! This might be my favorite. This might be my favorite yet! I love this guitar. This fast, shredding electric guitar. Wow. I need a moment of silence after that. Holy cow. That was so good. This is after we have a terrible, heartbreaking episode. This is the ending we get. Blood everywhere. This song just sounds sad. Wow. This is so beautiful too. Like the comic dotted style. Wow. It's like an angel singing in my ears right now. What? We have like the dubstep in the back basically. Wow. Is this entire opening just blood? Who died, bro? Her? Oh no, she just killed somebody or something. What? Wow. There's so many things going on. YouTube can't even process it. That's so beautiful. That was probably like the most heart-wrenching thing to watch after some episode where someone just had a horrible, terrible death. You finish the episode, you hear that? It breaks your heart. You burst out crying. Yo, he's got dogs. So many dogs. Ooh. We got the rap. Bit of a rapper on the vocals today. Ooh. I like this. I like this. These are literally real life dogs. This is real life footage. What? What? First of all, did he just die? Second of all, this is sick! Wow. They, like, mixed the Chudi with real life? Wow. The vocals! Wow. Such a beautiful voice. I love this. This is great. I don't think there's been a single bad one this entire time. I like this. It's got like the violence. What? Is that what he said? Whoa. They're like in the mainframe. Where are we right now? This animation is crazy. We got like... Ooh. 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 Is this a build-up? This is funky, bro. I didn't know if you were building up to a drop or not. I had to hold my breath for a sec. I think we are now. This is the drop. Ooh! Got the guitar jamming out. Wow. Why is it violence? Violence. Is this 3D? This is 3D, right? It has to be. How would they animate this in 2D? Wow. We got violent, I guess. Ooh! We got the claps! Wow. Is this the last one? I think this is the last one. It says 12 in the bottom. Is this her cat? That's right, her cat, right? This is just a normal life. They're just living a normal life. It's so cute. I like this. There's like a filter on the vocals that makes it a little... Yo, bro's taking a bath. How's he fitting in that bath? he's draining all the water out. Wow. Do they all live together? Wow. These vibes are great. This is so fun. Is this what the show's like? Like, maybe I gotta watch. They're just hanging out? We get bangers? I assume something happened. I mean, he probably kills some monsters sometimes if he turns into a chainsaw, but... I like these vibes. I like these vibes. And they got this cute cat. I love this little cat, bro. Oh! They're just a happy family. Look at them! Oh, I love this so much. I think this, vibes-wise, is one of my favorite. But I think it was between the one... I don't know which was my favorite. Let me go back. Maybe... This one was really good. This one was really good. This might have to be my favorite. This instrumental, bro, it's just so good. It's so good. Let me know if I'm controversial on that, but I think this is peak. I think this is peak. Just listen to it!